Living in Bel Air offers a unique blend of luxury, stunning views, and a vibrant lifestyle. However, one challenge homeowners often face is dealing with external noise from busy streets, construction, and nearby entertainment venues. If you're looking to create a quieter, more peaceful living environment, soundproof windows are an excellent investment. These windows can significantly reduce noise pollution while enhancing energy efficiency, security, and home value. How do soundproof windows work? Soundproof windows are specifically designed to minimize noise transmission by utilizing multiple layers of glass, special insulation materials, and airtight seals. Unlike standard windows, soundproof windows incorporate laminated or acoustic glass, which dampens sound waves and prevents them from penetrating into your home. Some advanced models even use double or triple pane glass filled with argon gas for superior insulation and sound absorption. The benefits of soundproof windows for Bel Air homes: reduces noise pollution. The primary benefit of soundproof windows is their ability to significantly reduce external noise. Whether you're near a busy street or have loud neighbors, these windows can help block out unwanted sounds, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Enhances home comfort by minimizing noise distractions. Soundproof windows allow you to enjoy a relaxing atmosphere inside your home. Whether you're working from home, sleeping, or spending time with family, a quieter space enhances overall comfort and well-being. Improves energy efficiency. Many soundproof windows feature low emissivity, low E coatings and insulated glass, which help regulate indoor temperatures. This reduces heat loss in the winter and prevents excessive heat gain in the summer, leading to lower energy bills and increased sustainability. Increases property value. Installing high-quality soundproof windows is a valuable home improvement that enhances curb appeal and makes your property more attractive to potential buyers. Many homebuyers prioritize noise reduction and energy efficiency when searching for a new home, making soundproof windows a great selling point. Enhances security. These soundproof windows are built with stronger, impact-resistant glass, making them more difficult to break. This added layer of security helps deter intruders and provides peace of mind for homeowners concerned about safety. Choosing the right soundproof windows for your Bel Air home. When selecting soundproof windows, consider the following factors to ensure you choose the best option for your needs. Sound Transmission Class, STC. Rating. The STC rating measures how well a window can block sound. The higher the STC rating, the more effective the window is at reducing noise. Standard windows have an STC rating of around 26-28, while soundproof windows can have ratings ranging from 40 to 55, significantly reducing noise levels. Glass type. Opt for laminated glass or multi-pane glass to maximize noise reduction. Laminated glass includes a special interlayer that absorbs sound vibrations, while double or triple pane glass enhances insulation. Frame material. The window frame plays a crucial role in soundproofing. Choose frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, as they provide better insulation and minimize vibrations compared to traditional aluminum frames. Professional installation. Even the best soundproof windows won't perform effectively if they are not installed properly. Work with a trusted window installation expert in Bel Air to ensure airtight seals and precise fitting to maximize soundproofing benefits. Cost considerations for soundproof windows. The cost of soundproof windows varies based on factors such as window size, material, STC rating, and installation complexity. On average, homeowners can expect to invest between $800 to $2,500 per window, depending on customization and additional features. While this may seem like a high initial investment, the long-term benefits in noise reduction, energy savings, and home value make it a worthwhile upgrade. Are soundproof windows worth it for Bel Air homes? Absolutely. Whether you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, improve energy efficiency, or enhance the tranquility of your home, soundproof windows provide multiple long-term advantages. With a variety of styles and customization options available, you can enjoy the benefits of noise reduction without compromising the aesthetics of your home. Final thoughts. If you're ready to upgrade your Bel Air home with high-performance soundproof windows, consult a professional window installation expert today. Investing in soundproof windows will not only transform your living space but also enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and value for years to come. Don't let unwanted noise disrupt your lifestyle. Take the first step toward a quieter, more peaceful home today.